Ready to unlock the secrets to a seamless and profitable home sale in the Evergreen State? Step 1. Finding the perfect realtor. Look for local experts with a proven track record in your specific Washington neighborhood. Check online reviews, ask for referrals, and interview at least 3 agents to compare their strategies and communication styles. Next, prepare your property to shine. Declutter ruthlessly, deep clean every corner, and stage your home to highlight its best features. Think fresh paint, updated landscaping, and a welcoming ambience that appeals to buyers. Now, let your realtor work their magic with a comprehensive marketing plan. This includes professional photography, virtual tour, eye-catching online listings on Zillow and Redfin, and targeted social media campaigns. Open houses can also generate buzz and attract potential buyers. Finally, prepare for the negotiation phase. Your realtor will act as your advocate, navigating offers, counteroffers, and contingencies to secure the best possible price and terms for your Washington home. Don't be afraid to walk away if an offer doesn't meet your needs. By following these steps and partnering with a skilled realtor, you'll be well on your way to a successful home sale in Washington State. Don't forget to subscribe for more real estate tips.